What is MIG welding? The full form is Metal Inert Gas Welding. Okay, so this is the workpiece which we want to weld. This is the electrode which is in the form of wire, and it is a consumable electrode. So when we will start this arc, the electrode will start to melt down and the material will fill up this cavity which is shown in the workpiece. MIG welding has a high material deposition rate. That's why it is used for long and continuous weld. From here we will insert the inert gas which will come out from here, and it will form this inert gas shielding. The purpose of inert gas shielding is to prevent the oxidation of weld, because if the oxidation will happen, then the weld quality will decrease. This inert gas is generally a mixture of argon and carbon dioxide gas. Since the material deposition rate is higher in MIG welding, it is relatively faster welding process. Let's summarize what we just learned. The full form of MIG is Metal Inert Gas Welding. The electrode used is a consumable electrode. MIG welding is a fast process due to its high material deposition rate. It is used for long and continuous welds. Inert gas used is generally a mixture of argon and carbon dioxide gas. The purpose of this inert gas is to prevent oxidation. If you want to learn about TIG welding, watch this video. And if you cannot see the video, subscribe and press the bell icon so you will receive the notification when I upload the video.